Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do an e-file manicure. Prepare a clean station and sanitize tools first, then choose a fine sanding bit and start at low RPM. Work gently along the nail surface in short passes, keeping the hand stabilized. Remove product gradually, check heat buildup, and stop if the client feels discomfort. Finish with a buffer and apply cuticle oil for hydration and shine. Keep your workspace calm and organized, and always explain each step to the client as you go. Begin by removing polish and any soak-off product, then push back cuticles and trim stray skin. Lightly shape nails with a manual file to set the base, and inspect each nail for lifting or damage. Choose the appropriate e-file bit and RPM based on product and natural nail thickness. Adopt a relaxed grip and keep movements small and purposeful while using the e-file, and always maintain a low to moderate RPM when starting. Check the angle frequently to follow the nail contour and avoid digging into the free edge. Pause to wipe dust and assess progress, and adjust bit size or speed as you move between natural nail and product to ensure a smooth, even removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.